So the portion of Formule that I'm going to show you today relates only to email. And I wanted to send out an email to a whole ton of people in my spreadsheet, and I just wasn't sure how to do it, and I wanted to be able to send it out if people were submitting on a form. So I wanted an automatic email sent out on form submit. So I'm going to show you really quick how I can set up a Formule. This is the email. This is the email that I'd like to send out to all of my AP students, and these are all of their emails. So I just need to find the script and install it. And Formule is also great for sending out text messages and setting up Google Calendar events for a group of people. And if I had a formula that I wanted to copy down, like a VLOOKUP formula, which I've used for finding folder keys that matched with students when they submitted a form with Autocrat, they would, the formula would match their folder key and send the document to their Google Drive folder. But in this case, I'm just sending out a mass email. And I'm going to call it something. I'm going to turn on the mail features. I need to do that, the merge features. And this one, I don't need it because I'm not using it as a form, but if I was using a form to have people submit and I wanted the email to be sent on the form submission, I would click that, but I don't need that right now. The script is set up for mail merge. It brings me to another spreadsheet, and here is where I would be including the person's, or my email, and then the person that I'm sending it to, their email there, and then here's where the body goes. And it says that it's HTML friendly, and that is true. I've tried it with HTML. So I'm just going to take this and copy it and paste it right in there. And then down here, these are the fields that I can use, the ones that came off of my spreadsheet. So you see email and name. I have two columns, email and name. So those are the two that I can use. Okay, so that is going to pull email addresses from sheet 1 here and send this email to each one of those. So now I can preview it. And this is what each one of the emails will look like, which is nice because then each individual person is getting their own email address or email, and they don't get CC'd, or you don't have to worry about blind copy or anything like that. So each person is getting a email that's sent directly to them, and then it says their name in the subject line because I put that little code there. So I'm going to run that now. And now the spreadsheet is telling me that it sent an email to each one of these email addresses. So that's how I can send out a mass email. The other week we talked about Remind 101, so this is exactly how I can send out a more detailed notification to a whole huge group of people.